If you are an old graduate and you have been applying for research jobs or other kinds of jobs and you have been unsuccessful, then we need to talk. Yes, I can assure you that you can still be successful in whatever profession you choose. If you don't want residency now and you want to progress and move forward in research career or academic career, you can be successful. I can give you some tips. If you follow them, you will be successful. And these are the same strategies that we teach to our students in research training program, because this is a complete program with the Success for Doctors package, where they not only just learn research and they get their chance to get publications as well, but at the same time, they also learn strategies, how they can move forward in their career, how they can get more job opportunities, and they can be successful in their careers and life. We had students who have been successful in research careers, who have been successful in other domains, in other careers. So your life has just begun. You can still be successful. Don't ever think you cannot be successful. So what do you need to do? Point number one, you need to write down your possible goals, the targets, what kind of possible jobs you want. Research job, for example, academic job, and the next one is, for example, private job, right? These are the three options. These are not goals, right? These are three options. Now, which one is the most important priority out of these? If research job is the one, then write it down. Research job is the goal now. Now, how do you approach that? Remember, just simply ask yourself, if you were a research director who were hiring somebody, would you hire somebody without research training and publications? Of course, no. Then you get research training and publication, and that's where we come in. So we have our training program for you. If you want research program, then contact me and we will help you, and then you can not only just learn to write research, you learn research methodology, and you also get prepared for the research interviews, the research job interviews, what questions you should expect. So it's a complete package. You learn everything about career success as well. So anyways, now get some publications. Now the next thing is networking. You need to make connections with people who have research labs and who are hiring people, and broaden your horizon. Search for research sites near you. That's something you need to do. Now the next thing you need to do is talk to your seniors and your juniors who already are working in research. Is there anyone? If not, then find people on LinkedIn. If not, then find people on Twitter, or find people on a different social media platform, and you will be able to find it. But this is how you make the strategy. And then what else you need to do is you need to keep adding more and more publications so that your research profile keeps growing. That's what you need to do. Otherwise, why would anyone hire you if you don't have research background and publication? If you want somebody who has a lab to be impressed with you, they should see something that you have some kind of background. Remember, everyone who has a lab, every research manager, research lab director, research lab manager, whoever is interviewing you, they all expect people to know how to write, so that you can at least bring something to the table. You can help them. If you don't know how to write, then you won't be able to help them. So that's why start with this process that I've told you, that decide what you want, then write down the research is your main priority, then write it down. That is your goal. Now, how do you achieve that goal? You make your profile research oriented by adding research publications, and get as many courses as possible. And we will train you how to do that. Don't worry about it. This is part of the training. So that's why we are here. And then you move forward. And of course, there are so many things we need to discuss, and we will train you on how to do that when you enroll in the program. So if you are enrolling, comment below or inbox me and we will talk.